An analysis of the information system needs of the Audiovisual Center, Equipment Management, or ABC EMS, and I am Gian Cartaño,
I'm Janin Kogami.
Justin Eugenio.
and we are the Cartaño Kogami Eugenio Group.
Company background. Our company is the Rizal College of St. Benedict. It is located at 2544 Top Avenue, Manila.
Statement of the problem. Our group is environmentally friendly, so that our problem is the use of paper from ABC EMS that
Is overuse. There are three paper form that is used in the ABC. Objectives.
The objectives of our system is to decrease the use of paper inside the campus because as the time goes by, the number of borrowers in the ABCEMS of the Rizal College of St. Benedict is increasing because of the high demand of students enrolling in DLSCSB.
Tangible benefits.
Cost reduction and avoidance. The system will reduce costs to the DLSCSB in terms of paper usage.
Error. Increased flexibility. Increased speed of activity. Increased speed of report. Improvement of management, planning, and control. Opening new markets and increasing sales opportunities.
Tangible benefits.
Not competitive necessity. To know how competitive your system, you can try comparing it to the other system. Improve organizational planning. All staff and borrower must have their own voice to the planning of the ABC.
increase organizational flexibility. Update a open forum for the ABC organization. Promotion of organizational learning and understanding. We can promote it by telling other people or by advertising it.
Ability of new, better, and more information. Gather a website list that can get informative news. Sorry for that. Or happenings. Ability to investigate more alternatives. All staff of the ABC must know what are the alternative equipment or a web form alternative checklist.
Faster decision making.
Create the activity log web form with all record of transaction in a particular equipment. Information efficiency. In the web form design, there will be an informative section or alert section of the ABC.
Next. Significance of the study. This study shows of how the ABC, known as Audiovisual Center, can help the school or progress the school. It makes our learning easier and better because it lends us the equipments that can help the students learn.
Scope and limitation. The Audiovisual Center at the De La Salle College of St. Bill is purposefully established for the advantage of the school personnel, faculty members, and especially to the students themselves. Having a complete setup of an audiovisual center is very beneficial to people who seek additional information regarding a specific subject, but there are also limitations to the use of these kinds of facilities.
Process walkthrough. The first step is to go to the ABC. Second step is get a form. Third is fill up the form. The fourth is give the form to the ABC staff. The fifth, surrender your ID and get. The sixth step is receive the equipment. Seven, return the equipment. Eight, if the equipment is damaged, go to the accounting office. Pay for the damaged equipment. Wait for the receipt to be given. Retrieve your ID in the ABC.
Okay.
Process time and cycle.
Okay, as you can see in the processing time, you can see the minutes that we use and the total minutes is 22 minutes. The cycle time is 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Use case diagram. Borrower, return equipment, reserve equipment, borrow equipment. ABC maintain inventor equipment. In the accounting, get the payment, handle the penalties.
Recommendations.
Use case diagram of the proposed system. This is the use case diagram that we built for the proposed system.
Activity diagram of the proposed system. Use case scenario for borrowing equipment. You can see in this slide the scenario that we are using. The first one is borrow equipment, and you can see return equipment. You can take a glance of it. Then reserve equipment, maintain equipment inventory, generate reports, settle penalties.
Activity diagram. This is the activity diagram for borrowing equipment. The next one is activity diagram for returning equipment.
Benchmarking.
There are many competitors around the area, and one of the direct competitors of the Rizal College of St. Bede's Audiovisual Center is St. Scholastica College Audiovisual Center. In
Uh, in Saint Sco or the Scholastica College, we have the same equipments. As you can see, in our school, we have database like ProQuest, Central, Wallet, OPAC, GMID, Emerald, Management Plus, and other more database. In time of borrowing equipment in Saint Scholastica College, only allow the borrower to borrow equipment within 2 hours. But in De La Salle College of St. Benilde, there is no limited time.
Streamlining. Unorganized planning inside the ABC. We should make sure that the policy inside the ABC EMS of the Rizal College of St. Philip are strictly followed and posted on the status bar provided by the system. Second one is organized storage of data. We will be using a database that will be organizing all data and transaction of ABC EMS. We can see there all information needed within a short period of time. Unlike in other systems, we will be needing a lot of time before we find the needed information.
Conclusion. We therefore conclude that the ABC EMS of the La Salle College of St. Benilde is a big help to, to all Benildean students. It helps the student of the school to make their studies easier and comfortable. So, we need this ABC EMS in our learning insights. Resume. This is my resume at computer skills, software, like Microsoft Access, Excel, Microsoft Office Windows, language, basic programming language. I've joined organizations like CBA and I have attended seminars, IT Summit.
This is my resume, Jaren Kogami. As computer skills, software, I can use Microsoft Access, Excel, Office Windows, XP, Vista.
Thank you for watching. Hope you learn from us and thank you for watching this.